Hi, I'm Maria Noel Groves, clinical herbalist at Wintergreen Botanicals. Today we're going to make a really awesome and effective sleep tea. We make it with equal parts of 4 herbs. The first one we're going to use is lemon balm, which is a gentle but uplifting, calming herb. Then we're going to use a little bit of skullcap, which is a stronger, slightly stronger sedative and nervine, and passion flower, which is also a sedative and nervine. And last but not least, some spearmint for flavor. So if you happen to have harvested your own plants, if you can use leaves and flowers if you've got them on there, and loosely pack a brown paper bag. You don't want to fill it up too tight. You want to make sure that there's room for everything to breathe. And then we're going to cinch it shut with a clothespin. And this fits really nicely in the windshield of your car where it'll dry well on a warm sunny day. Just fluff it up every half day or so, and within 1 to 2 days your herbs are probably going to be dry. And then once they're totally dry and are really crispy, there are no bendy stems, you'll just take a big bowl and strip the leaves off the stems and then store it in a glass jar. So once you've got all of your herbs ready to go, you're going to use a small teacup. You don't want a big mug of sleep tea because then you'll have to pee in the middle of the night, which isn't so good for sleeping. And you're going to take about equal parts, about a half teaspoon of each one to steep. And so we're just going to add a little bit of each one. Then we're going to cover it with boiling water, or near boiling. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're gonna let that steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it's ready, you just pull the strainer right out, and you can add some honey to taste, about a teaspoon or so, and enjoy that about 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime. Now, if you're gonna make this tea on a regular basis, take equal parts and combine them in a nice container, ideally glass, with a tight-fitting lid, and then stir it up so they're really well blended. You're just going to take a nice heaping teaspoon of that whole mix and use that to make your tea. And I hope you find that you enjoy this tea. It tastes really good and that you're sleeping well soon.